Check the front fender for any damages, scratches, paint overflow or paint peel off. Check and ensure that the front fender alignment with respect to front tire center is uniform. Check and ensure the gap between the front tire and front fender is uniform. Also check and ensure that mountings of the all mounting screws of headlight panel and the leg shield are properly installed. Check the center cover for any paint damage, general damage or scratches. Check side cover right and side cover left for any paint damage, general damage and scratches. Check the rear side cover left hand side and the rear side cover right hand side for any paint damage, general damage and scratches. Check and ensure for any misalignment of side cover left and right. Front wheel for any paint damages, general damages, scratches and for rough surface on the wheel. Ensure that the arrow on the tire should be towards forward direction. Check and ensure for correct fitment and alignment of tire lining with wheel. Tire lining should be parallel to the wheel. Check availability of all the mountings on the wheel. Check the rear wheel for any paint damages, general damages, scratches and for rough surface on the wheel. Check and ensure for correct fitment and alignment of tire lining with the wheel. Tire lining should be parallel to the wheel. Ensure that the arrow on the tire should be towards forward direction. Check the muffler protector for any damage or scratches. Also check and ensure for its proper mountings. Check the rear mudguard for any paint damage, general damage or scratches. Also check it for proper fitment. Check the rear fender for any damage and scratches. Also check and ensure that the mountings of rear fender are properly fitted. Check the rear shock absorber for any oil leakage or any paint damage. Ensure there is no paint damage on the CVT cover assembly. Battery operation, removal and charging, and installation. Open two screws of the upper cover from the leg shield side. Then, open one bolt of the battery holder clamp with a 10 mm handle and remove the clamp. And check the specific gravity of the electrolyte. The specific gravity in case of Excite batteries should be 1.240 at 27 degrees centigrade, and for Amco battery it should be 1.280 at 27 degrees centigrade. Now fill the electrolyte to the maximum level. After filling electrolyte, let the battery soak for 1 hour. Then check the electrolyte level again. If the electrolyte level is found to be low, then fill the battery with the same electrolyte again and begin the battery charging process. Connect the positive terminal of the battery charger with the battery first. Then connect the negative terminal of the battery charger with the battery. Now switch on the charger. Turn the selector knob of the battery charger on 0.5 amperes. Now turn the toggle switch to on position. As the charging starts, the red light glows. Ensure that the main LED light and the charging LED light should glow in the charger. Charge the battery for 8 to 10 hours. When the battery is fully charged, the green LED light will glow in the trickle charging circuit. Now remove the battery from the battery charger. First, disconnect the negative terminal from the battery. Then, disconnect the positive terminal from the battery. Now check the battery voltage. The battery voltage should be 12.8 volts or more. Now check the specific gravity. Also check the level of the electrolyte. If the electrolyte level is found low, top up the battery with distilled water. Install the battery holder clamp and tighten one bolt of battery holder clamp with a 10 mm T-handle. Torque of the clamp bolt of the battery is 5 foot-pounds. Apply petroleum jelly on both the terminals. Remember, never apply grease on the terminals. The lug and slide the upper cover up to hook the projection. Pressure is less than specified value of 22 psi. Inflate it to a specified value of 22 psi. Check free rotation of the front wheel. For checking of rear wheel, the specified value should be 29 psi in single riding and 36 psi in double riding. If less, inflate it to the specified value. For smooth movement of the key shutter. Now, insert the key and turn it clockwise and lift the seat. Turn the handlebar on extreme left position. Insert the key into the main switch and push the key down and turn the key from off position to lock position. Turn the handlebar to ensure the locking of the steering at extreme left position. The fuel gauge should display quantity of fuel in the vehicle. Then, turn the key to off position. Key can be taken out in off position and lock position. For engine oil confirmation, loosen the transmission oil drain bolt using a 12 mm ring spanner. Check the oil must come out. Now, tighten the transmission oil drain bolt using a 12 mm ring spanner. Then torque the drain bolt. The specified torque is 16 foot-pounds. Finally, install the filler plug with its O-ring back. Check the operation of the starter knob. The movement of the starter knob should not be sticky. The starter knob should be fully pressed. If it does not get fully pressed, refer to the starter cable adjustment section. For checking off spark plug and RPM of the vehicle, unlock the seat.